ChatGPT is back in the news after its upgrade changed everything, and it appears to be revolutionizing the game in every manner possible. Do you think these upgrades will open up a new era of possibilities? Continue watching the video to find out more. OpenAI's text-generating AI chatbot ChatGPT has taken the world by storm. Given short text instructions, it can produce essays, code, and more, boosting productivity. But it also has a more evil side. A free version of ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI in San Francisco, is accessible for anybody to use on the ChatGPT website. All you have to do to gain a login is sign up, and you'll be mining the depths of the AI model in seconds. In any event, AI tools are not going away. They have grown considerably since their initial release. Major brands are experimenting with it, for example, by utilizing artificial intelligence to generate ads and marketing material. Since its release last year, ChatGPT's accessibility has attracted millions of users and considerable debate. Schools have already begun prohibiting ChatGPT because kids can use it to cheat, and some nations have barred their nationals from accessing the ChatGPT website. There are also numerous ethical and legal concerns when it comes to AI. In addition, the ChatGPT family is expanding. The free web version of ChatGPT is currently based on an enhanced model of GPT-3, but OpenAI has created an upgrade for GPT-4, which premium customers can access via ChatGPT+. According to the business, another version named ChatGPT Business is also in the works, and OpenAI is making significant investments in it. GPT-4, the latest language writing model from OpenAI's laboratories, recently supercharged ChatGPT. GPT-4, which can write more organically and eloquently than the model that previously powered ChatGPT, is available to paying ChatGPT subscribers. In addition to GPT-4, OpenAI has connected ChatGPT to the internet with alpha plugins available to consumers and developers on the waitlist. So, exactly what are GPT-3, GPT-4, and ChatGPT? What exactly does it do? Is this truly the future of AI? OpenAI's GPT-3, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, and GPT-4 AI models for language processing are cutting edge. They can generate human-like writing and have many applications, including language translation, modeling, and text generation for chatbots. GPT-3 is one of the largest and most powerful language processing AI models, with 175 billion parameters. So far, the most popular use has been the development of ChatGPT, a highly sophisticated chatbot. To demonstrate its most basic capability, we requested GPT-3's chatbot to write its description, as seen above. It's a touch cocky, but it's truthful, and in my opinion, quite nicely written. In simple terms, GPT-3 allows a user to provide a trained AI with various written prompts. These can be questions, requests for writing on a specific topic, or several other things. It identified itself as a language processing AI model before. This simply means it is a program that understands human language as spoken and written, allowing it to process textual material and choose what to spit back out. What exactly does ChatGPT do? With 175 billion characteristics, it's difficult to pinpoint what GPT-3 does. As one may expect, the model is limited to language. Unlike its brother DALL-E 2, it cannot produce video, sound, or images, but instead has a thorough knowledge of the spoken and written word. This offers it a broad variety of abilities, from developing poems about sentient farts and cliché rom-com in parallel universes, to explaining quantum theories in simple terms, and producing full-length research papers and articles. While it can be entertaining to use OpenAI's years of study to get an AI to write horrible stand-up comedy scripts, or answer questions about your favorite celebrities, its true power resides in its speed and comprehension of complex issues. ChatGPT can provide a well-written alternative in seconds, but we could spend hours researching, analyzing, and writing a paper on quantum mechanics. It has limitations, and its software can become quickly confused if your prompt becomes too complex, or if you simply walk down a path that becomes too niche. It also cannot deal with thoughts that are too new. World events from the previous year will face limited knowledge, and the model may occasionally offer inaccurate or confusing information. OpenAI also knows the internet's penchant for causing AI to produce dark, damaging, or biased content. ChatGPT, like its predecessor, the DALL-E image generator, will prevent you from asking inappropriate queries or requesting assistance with risky requests. Let us look at the timeline of the most recent ChatGPT updates. On July 25, 2023, ChatGPT for Android will be released in the United States, India, Bangladesh, and Brazil. OpenAI released ChatGPT for Android just a few days after putting up a pre-order page on Google Play. The app is currently available in a few countries. OpenAI has flicked the switch and made ChatGPT available for Android. The software is now available in a few countries, including the United States, India, Bangladesh, and Brazil. If your nation isn't on the list, you may still go to Google Play and pre-order the app, as OpenAI hopes to release it in more countries very soon. Over the next week, more countries will be included. If you have an iPhone, you may already be using the official ChatGPT app, which has been available on iOS for quite some time. The Android release remains a significant milestone for OpenAI, given that there are more Android users than iOS users worldwide. If you've used ChatGPT on the web, you should expect similar results with OpenAI's chatbot. However, the UI has been optimized for mobile use. Interacting with ChatGPT is similar to sending messages to a friend via a messaging app. You can input text at the bottom of the screen and press submit. ChatGPT will respond with advice, tips, and whatever else you require. The mobile app integrates with your existing OpenAI account, so you can access your previous discussions across all your devices if you allow chat history and training. You can't disable one without disabling the other. While you can create a free account, OpenAI also provides an optional subscription to gain access to a better big language model, GPT-4, and more services. ChatGPT Plus will also be available on Android as an in-app purchase. If you are a subscriber, you can use your existing subscription to access ChatGPT Plus features on Android. As of July 21, 2023, ChatGPT will soon be available on Android. Android users can pre-order the ChatGPT app now. The Android version is expected to have the same features and capabilities as the iOS version, including the ability to sync conversations and preferences across devices. This means you can seamlessly switch between an iPhone and an Android without issues. On July 20th, 2023, OpenAI released personalized instructions for ChatGPT users. This will save users the hassle of writing the same instruction prompts to the chatbot every time they engage. As per the business, a new feature has been introduced that enables users to share their preferences with ChatGPT. This can be helpful for teachers who can specify the grade they teach, or for developers who can mention their preferred code language. Users can also specify their family size for the AI to provide relevant responses regarding meals, grocery shopping, and vacation planning. On July 6, 2023, OpenAI announced the general availability of GPT-4. Existing developers with a proven track record of successful payments will have access to GPT-4 starting July 6th, while new developers will be granted access by the end of July. OpenAI adds that in the future, developers will be able to fine-tune GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 Turbo, two of the original models powering ChatGPT, with their data, as they have with several of OpenAI's other text-generating models. According to OpenAI, this functionality will be available later this year. The ChatGPT app's functionality was changed on June 28, 2023, and it can now only perform web searches through Bing. However, for ChatGPT Plus customers, OpenAI has launched a new function called browsing, which allows them to use Bing to search for answers to their queries. To enable the browsing feature, go to the app settings and pick GPT-4 under the New Features section. Select Browse with Bing from the drop-down list in the model switcher. The ChatGPT apps for iOS and Android both support browsing. On June 28, 2023, the ChatGPT app can now only search the web on Bing. OpenAI stated that ChatGPT Plus customers may now access a new tool called Browsing, which allows ChatGPT to search Bing for answers to inquiries. To access the browsing feature on the ChatGPT app, Navigate to the New Features section in the app settings. From there, select GPT-4 in the model switcher, and then choose Browse with Bing from the available options. This functionality is available in the app's iOS and Android editions. On June 8, 2023, the ChatGPT app will be available for installation on iPad and will be compatible with Siri and shortcuts. The latest ChatGPT app version adds native iPad support and the ability to use the chatbot with Siri and shortcuts. Customers can now drag individual messages from ChatGPT into other apps using drag and drop. ChatGPT is now available in full-screen mode on the iPad, specifically designed to enhance the user interface for the tablet. These were the recent updates. What are your thoughts on these new updates? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.